Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you favorite Easter outdoor decoration ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos, friends. So first one is viewers. Easter garden bunny. Today I decorate my garden for Easter. I place cute bunny figures. Now I add colorful eggs around. I use flower to make it bright. My Easter bunny garden is ready. It looks very cute and happy. Hanging Easter eggs. Let's decorate tree with Easter eggs. I use plastic colorful eggs. Now I dye them with ribbon. I hang them on tree branches. The garden looks festive and beautiful. Very easy ideas. Easter bath for Kate. I use flower and egg. Now I arrange them in a circle. I add a ribbon and a bow. Hang it on the gate. Welcome Easter with style and viewers. And friends, next way is bunny flower pot. I paint eyes and nose. Now I add bunny ears. Place plants inside. Cute bunny pot are ready. Perfect for garden decor. And friends, next one is friends. I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel.